Hello, team at Eganville's Finest. Today we're going to be showing you how to update your takeout menu for print. We're going to be using two free services. The first is Vistaprint and the other is Canva, both of which you have an account for. The email for that is efrenfrew@gmail.com. If you need the passwords for either, I've sent it to you as a screenshot in the email with this video. Just refer back to that or say forgot my password using that email, efrenfrew@gmail.com. Now, assuming that we've been able to log in, we're going to be going to canva.com. And once you're logged in, we're going to go to all your designs. So here we can see the takeout menu from September 2020. We're going to go into here. Now let's say that we're going to update some of the prices. Don't worry if all of this seems a little bit overwhelming at first. You're completely capable of doing it. So let's say that the spaghetti and meatballs have gone up in price. So first we're going to find it by scrolling down to the second page. And it's really tiny. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my keyboard and press the Control or the Command plus to make it bigger. You can also see scale down here. So we can zoom into 300%, etc. So I'm going to scroll over and I see spaghetti and meatballs. And the cost of meatballs have gone way up. So I'm going to change that to $20.99. All right, so you can see here I just clicked into there and I changed that. So I'm going to just change that back so we don't have an issue. Likewise, if there's anything else in here that you need to update, you simply click into it and change the price there. Everything else should be taken care of. Now, there shouldn't be too many changes to the images and stuff, but you're welcome to kind of learn the rest of the suite here. There's a lot of free images that come with this. That's a whole tutorial onto its own though. I'm just showing you how to update the prices and the text here. So that should be pretty self-explicit. If you ever have an issue, just give me a call, 613-619-4825. But for now, we've been able to log in, look at our menu, change some prices, and whenever you make a change, it automatically saves it. So now the next part is how do we get it to Vistaprint? So let's go over to Vistaprint. And here we're going to see my account, and we're going to go down to my projects. So you can see here that there's only one project. In the future, there might be a couple more. So look for something named Takeout Menu. I've named it by fold September 2020. So I'm going to go into here and say Edit. Now, let's say that this is the future and you've made some changes to the menu, but you want to make them distinguished from the previous menu. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and go Save As. And right off the bat, I'm going to save it as a new file name, in this case V2, Save. That way I know that we're not saving over each other. So here I am in the file V2, and I know that I've made some changes to the spaghetti and meatballs. So I'm going to want to upload it here, but how do I do that? I'm going to go over here to Upload on my computer. Oh, sorry, I need to show you how to download. I'm going to come back over here to Canva, sorry. So here we are in Canva. We're going to go up to Download. We're going to go PDF high quality multi-page document. It's important that we do this because it's for print. We click there. We're going to click Crop Marks and Bleeds because that's something the printers will need. And we're going to click All Pages. Perfect. So now our thing is ready to download. This is going to take probably a little bit of time because it's a big file. Perfect. So now it's downloaded and saved to my computer. So now I'm going to go back to Vistaprint and I'm going to just delete this. So I've clicked on it and I press delete. And down here, I'm going to click on the second page. I'm going to click on it, delete. Okay, so now I've got two blank pages. Right? And just to avoid issues, I'm going to delete those two because in a second, we're going to upload the new file and I don't want it to seem confusing. So here we are with a blank slate. I'm going to go upload from my computer. Here it is. And again, it's going to take a little bit of time to upload here. All right, so I just paused the video while that loaded. It's now being uploaded. So now we can go over here and kind of see the front and inside. So I'm going to click on the outside page right here. And I'm going to drag over what should be the cover of our outside menu. So it comes in really tiny. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click and drag it up to the top corners. And then I'm going to press Shift while dragging this button down to the full size. Now you'll see these little crosshairs here. I want those crosshairs just off because those are my crop marks. We want no white edges when this prints out. So again, I'm going to click on this little blue button, click Shift, and I'm going to scale out until finally there is no white. All right, now I'm going to do that again on the inside. Come in. So we're going to click our second page, going to drop it in the middle. I'm going to line it up with the corner here. Click that little blue button, Shift, and drag it out. Now the reason I'm pushing Shift is because I want it to stay the same ratio. And sometimes when you scale things out in these programs, they mess up the ratio, so things get distorted. So there, oh, a little bit of white. I think we're good there. Looks good. So now we're done and it's ready for order. So I'm going to scroll up here and I'm going to go Save. All set. So now it's either you or Shelly that's going to be ordering these. So I'm going to go back up to my account. I'm going to go to my projects. And we can see here V2 as I've renamed it. And I'm going to say order. And this is where you go ahead with the ordering as per whatever details you prefer. I think you guys have got it from here. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 613-619-4825. Thanks. Have a great day.